Yeah, we organized this time our council meeting together with the Young Minds. It's the future, so we should really coordinate actions with them. So that was our initiative in order to have this kind of council meeting with the Young Minds.
Thank you very much for coming. The Lithuanian Physical Society was established in 1963, and that was the first society of physicists in Soviet Union. And at that period, we were not allowed to join any international union. We joined the first international union at once we became independent. In 1992, that was European Physical Society, and then in 2002, IUPAC. EPS came to greet us during our 45th conference, and in 2025, President-elect also came to our conference. We were greeted by various physical societies during our anniversary, and we are thankful to physical societies of USA, Germany, Japan, Taiwan, Ukraine, and Slovakia. In return, also we were sending video greetings to the French Physical Society when they celebrated 150 years anniversary, and the Polish Physical Society when they were celebrating 100th anniversary. We have the YouTube channel where we put various talks, also in English and in Lithuanian. And we are very glad that Lithuania was the first Baltic country in which EPS inaugurated the historic site. And I think we are quite active in participating at EPS meetings, and here you can see some evidences since 2016, 19, 22, and 25. Also, we participated remotely in the informal meeting of presidents in 2025, and we are thankful to German Physical Society for regularly inviting our young researchers to conferences and for organizing a nice opening of the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology. It was very interesting to read a report by the Polish Physical Society about the period of COVID, and also from the first year of invasion of Russia to Ukraine, we support Ukrainian Physical Society. So our Young Minds section, Vilnius section, was established in 2015, and we had guests from Young Minds Action Committee in Lithuania in 2021, and always it was very interesting to visit for young people the EPS forums which were organized. On the right side you can see a poster from one of such conferences about activities of our section. And in 2024, European Physical Society invited 3 of our students to the forum and covered the expenses, so we are very thankful. We are glad to host EPS science conferences in Lithuania, And we had a conference recently in atom physics, molecules, and the last year on plasma physics. We have celebrated 60 anniversary of CERN in Lithuania and had a host from there in our meeting, and also we organized international schools related to CERN thematics in Lithuania. So there are other conferences, quite large conferences held in Lithuania, like during the quantum physics year on quantum optics in Lithuania. And we are very glad that such conferences bring some fresh thinking about women in science importance. And it was a very interesting discussion, women in plasma physics, which we had. We celebrate Women and Girls in Science Day in Lithuania, and the last year we had 7,000 school children participating in our online activity. So we celebrate every year quantum days. You can see here evidences of our activities. Also International Day of Light, and here you see 3 winners of the competition of photographs made by Lithuanian participants. We organized Science Festival. We are co-organizers of the Science Festival in Lithuania, and here in Lithuania we have several non-formal education schools in physics, like Photonas, established in 1972, also Physics Olympus, established in 1994, and we prepare children for national Olympiads, and we already hold 72 and participated in the International Olympiad, and in 2021 we hosted the International Physics Olympiad. Our faculty was organizing. So often we visit schools, and we are active in outreach, and including EPS press works, and I pass to you warm welcome from the board of our Lithuanian Physical Society and from all the unions. Welcome to you.